coconut, man.
Oh crap, man. Coconut. Yo, I'm there trying to take a nap. You make it nice, man. Pissing me off. What? You come to piss me off again, eh?
Piss you off? Nah, man. You stupid? I'm here to eat you.
Beat me?
Eat you.
Yo, you come into my room and I'm trying to sleep just to come piss me off and talk all this stupidness. Why me knocking on your head, Coconut? Oh, crap, man. Oh. Yo, boss man, I swear there's something going on in my house. I can't explain it, man. It started off with a coconut and then some bamboo tree thing. Boom, just appeared and this weird stuff started happening. Yes, I think it's spirits, man. These things are real. Hello? Hello? What is going on with me? I've seen some crazy things, people. I know, not like the Exorcist movie. I'm talking about the real thing.